In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to research topics faster with Grok, Productivity Hack 2026. If you're trying to move from idea to insight quickly, Grok can shave minutes, sometimes hours, off your research flow. We'll keep this simple and focused so you can replicate it right away. First, open your browser and head to grok.com. This is where everything starts. You don't need any special setup to begin, and the interface is intentionally clean, so you can focus on the question in front of you. You can use Grok without an account, but logging in is helpful if you want to save your chats and pick up where you left off later. Think of it like saving tabs for your brain. Sign in quickly, then you're ready to go. That way, if you're juggling multiple topics, your progress won't disappear when you close the window. On the homepage, you'll see the Grok AI interface. This is your workspace. Front and center is the chat area where your research happens. It's designed to feel like a conversation rather than a form to fill out, which makes iterating on ideas feel natural. Don't worry about being perfect with your wording. You can refine as you go. In the middle of the screen, you'll find a chat bar. This is where you'll type your request or paste the question you've drafted elsewhere. If you already have notes, you can paste a short snippet to give Grok context. Clear, focused prompts help it respond precisely, but you don't need to overthink it. Start simple, then tighten, based on the first reply. Before you ask your question, look for the mode selector near the chat bar and choose faster mode. This prioritizes speed so you can see structured results quickly and keep your momentum. It's great for scanning angles, identifying key terms, and getting a compact overview before you dive deeper. If you're short on time or just starting your exploration, this mode helps you move fast without getting bogged down. Now ask Grok about what you want. Be specific about the outcome you need, like a concise overview, key talking points, or a short comparison. For example, you might say you want the top 3 angles, recent trends, and a quick summary. Read the response, then immediately follow up to narrow the scope, clarify definitions, or request a tighter summary. That back and forth is where speed turns into clarity. And that's it. Open grok.com, optionally sign in to save your work, locate the chat bar, switch to faster mode, and ask your question. Repeat and refine until you've got exactly what you need.